Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
When I'm serving each other, I feel very nice. But then when I think of how bad and imperfect the service is, I feel terrible. Which is right to feel?
You feel terrible?
Yes.
When you feel terrible?
When I see all the blunders I make, all the mistakes.
Sometimes this is nice to accept the blunders. Even there is no blunder. This is the symptom of sincere service. Just like a father is very beloved to his son, or the son is very beloved to the father, a little ailments of the son, the father is thinking, oh, my son may die, I may be separated. It is the sign of intense love. Not always that the son is dying immediately, you see, but he is thinking like that. Separation. You see? So that is good sign. And we should not think that we are doing very nicely. We should always think that I am unable. This is not bad. We should never think that I am perfect. Because the Maya is so strong. As soon as we are little confident, immediately there is attack. You see? In a diseased condition, especially one who takes very precautionary method, there is little chance of relapse. So this is not bad. We should always think like that maybe I am not doing nicely. But as far as it is in our power, let us execute our business nicely, but we should never think that it is very perfect. That is nice.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.